Hey there, my name's Jeremy McBurney, and we're going to look at some test score analysis, and we are going to make a forecast sheet, and hopefully at the end of this video you'll know how to make a forecast sheet by my steps. So I couldn't find a worksheet that was good enough, so I kind of made my own table just so I could get the most accurate results, and it made it the easiest for me. So what we're going to do is we're going to compare SAT score and absences, and we're going to forecast if the more absences you have, what kind of SAT score you're going to have. So first step is we got to make sure we have this whole column right here sorted in number order. So you kind of see they're a little bit, but they're off for the most part. So we're going to click right here in this first cell. We're going to come over to home. We're going to come over to sort and filter in the editing group. We're going to sort smallest to largest. So that's going to sort all of these from smallest to largest. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to come over and we're going to make sure we highlight from B2 all the way to BC 25. So we're going to highlight from B2 to C25. And then we're going to come over to the data tab. We're going to come all the way over to the forecast, and we're going to click on the forecast sheet. This is how we're going to make our forecast sheet. Well, you see this forecast sheet predicts all the way to 12. Well, I'd like to go to 15. So we're going to bump it up 3 times over here in the forecast end. So 1, 2, 3, and that bumps it all the way up to 15. So we predicted all the way up to 15 absences. Well, then next you're going to hit create. And this pops the forecast sheet right up in the middle. I don't really like it right there, so what we're going to do is we're going to drag it out of the way and we're going to resize it. So we're going to drag it over here and line it up in cell G2. And then we're going to scroll over just a little bit. We're going to take this and we're going to line it up. We're going to line it up right here in N15. Yep. And the big thing is whenever you're doing your practices, you want to make sure you line it up right, just because if you do it just a little bit off, it'll count it wrong. Well, the next thing you do is you see down here where it says it's sheet 7. We don't like that, so we're going to change it. So you double tap, it's going to highlight it. Then you're going to type in forecast, F-O-R-E-C-A-S-T. You're going to hit enter. And that should be all you have to do. And so I hope that helps you learn how to do a forecast sheet. Thank y'all.